Hi guys, you ready for your math lesson? Good. We're going to be talking about our fractions again today. We're going to be talking about those equal parts because they are so important to us. If I look at this shape of my paper down here on my table, do you know what shape it is? Did you say rectangle? Good job. How many sides does my rectangle have? Did you say 4? Good job. And how many angles does my rectangle have? And remember, so I have an angle right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's an interesting question. How many square corners does my rectangle have? And remember, I can use a square corner. I'm going to use my Post-it note and I'm going to say here's a square corner. It matches up beautifully. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, 4 angles and 4 square corners in my rectangle. Okay, nice job. Now, I am going to go ahead and I am going to fold my paper. I'm actually going to turn it this way so you can see it better. I'm going to fold my paper into 2 sections. Do you see how they meet so beautifully? I folded them nice and neatly. And if I open up this paper, how many pieces do I have? Well, I have two. Look, you can see my shadow from my lights in my basement. I have 2 pieces, 1, 2. If I shade in or color one piece, I've shaded in half. This is 1/2 that has been shaded. Okay, so now I'm going to take and I can fold my paper a different direction. I'm going to fold it this long way. I'm going to open it up again. I'm going to turn it this way. It fits better in the camera. I have 2 pieces. I've colored in half of the shape. Now, the important thing for you to remember is that when I have these 2 shapes, they are the same shape and they are the same size. Look at that. They fold up so beautifully. They are equal shares. We've been talking about that an awful lot. Now, we also have to know that for an equal share, they have to have the same shape and the same size. And in this paper, both of these pieces, each part, equal part of the shape, equals 1 whole. Now today in your math, your problem set is about finding the equal shares. And the important thing to remember with equal shares, boys and girls, is that it's the same size, it's the same shape. Now I want to quickly, because I don't want to get you too confused, but I do think it's important. If you have something like this, those aren't 2 equal pieces, boys and girls, because they're not the same size, okay? And if we have something like this, and I do this, those aren't 2 equal shares because they're not the same size at all. And if I were to do something like this, again, if I divide it, that would not be 2 equal shares. So the important part of your lesson today is that they need to be the equal size and they also need to be the same shape. And so be careful as you're doing your problem set today. I know you can do it. Please work slowly and carefully. I have noticed that some people are rushing through things. I know this is hard. I know this is tough. I know you're done with it. We're reaching and peeking out the window to summer. But do your best work for me. Take your time and you will be done just as quickly. Okay, hope you do a great job on your math, and I will see you back here on Thursday. Have a great day.